Okay, today we're going to take a look at another nice offering from the Zippo people. Now this one came in the regular Zippo box. And on the back it says Dragon Design. It's a genuine Zippo. So here is that dragon design. It's on a brass case. It's a nice one. And this one looks like it was made in, looks like B. Yeah, it looks like B or February of this year. There you can see Bradford, USA, made in the USA. It's a pretty cool design of a dragon. Good sound. And it's got the brass colored insert. Now all Zippos are made of brass. I'm going to show you what I mean. Here is a regular kitchen magnet, refrigerator magnet. Will not stick to that, so that is definitely brass. But they make these inserts to look brass. I don't know if it's brass coated or coated with something else to make it look like brass. But it is a steel insert. Here's the magnet. So it's definitely a steel steel insert with some kind of coating that makes it look brass. It's cool looking. It's much cooler than just a plain steel insert. So that is the brass dragon. Fires up nice. Let's do a drop test on this thing. A lit drop test. So the brass dragon passes the drop test. It's a nice one. That dragon's going to go right next to the most famous dragon. And we're going to give them some cowbell. Knuckle bump.